Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare toner, primer, night cream and face pack using aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsules. Number 1. Face pack. Start by taking an aloe vera leaf if you are using fresh aloe vera gel. Extract the gel by slicing the leaf open and scraping out the gel. Alternatively, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel if you prefer. You can buy these Evian 400 vitamin E capsules from medical store. Take 1 to 2 vitamin E capsules and squeeze the oil into the mixture. Vitamin E oil is known for its skin nourishing benefits. Consistency of vitamin E oil is so thick and feels like castor oil. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil mixture. Honey has moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth, consistent mixture. Apply the mask to your clean face and neck. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water after 15 to 20 minutes. Number 2. Night cream. Take unscented plain moisturizer. Choose one that works well with your skin type. Preferably non-oily moisturizer. Take 1 to 2 vitamin E capsules and squeeze the oil into the moisturizer. Mix thoroughly. You can use this as a night cream for soft and supple skin. Number 3. Primer. To increase the shelf life of the product, here I am using store-bought aloe vera gel. Now add 2 vitamin E capsules to it or adjust according to the quantity. Mix well until color changes. You can see the cream-like consistency. Apply this before foundation or makeup as a primer, or simply use it as a moisturizer or day cream. This aloe vera cream is not sticky. It gives hydration to your skin. Number 4. Toner. Take rose water and add 1 vitamin E capsule to it. Now adding a small amount of aloe vera gel to it. You can use this as a toner, or simply spray it on your face whenever you want to refresh your day. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.